Hello, welcome to Victor Shamaki. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to export a transparent background. Now, in the last video, we were able to remove the background of this transparent text. Now we want to export it as transparent layer like the way you see it. So what you need to do is to go to File, and then you go to Export, and then you go to Save for Web. Now this allows you to save it with a lot of options. Now when it gets you here, what you need to do is to change this from JPEG to PNG. Now the moment you change it to PNG, you see that the transparent layer that you see here has come of it. So when you save it as PNG, it doesn't return that white background of color, so you can see the transparency is also checked. And then if we have the PNG 8 and PNG 24, all of them will work, but just that the PNG 24 has other things. We have the interlac and all of that, so but PNG 8 will do the same thing. So when you've done that, you just click on Save, and just click on Save. Then it's saved. Once, if we go to bring that very this thing into the Photoshop, you will see that it is transparent. So you can see it is still transparent, right? So that's how to export as transparent.